This week, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a whole bunch of Disney themed Christmas ornaments. And today, we're going to do this cute little Baymax one. Now, to start off with, you need an ornament shape. You can go under images and search for an ornament shape and just find one you like. If you can't find one you like, I do have an SVG on my site, which I'll link in this tutorial. But you can see I've already uploaded that SVG here, so I'm just going to insert it. It comes in kind of large, sorry, but we can resize it. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. That's how I find things quickly, is I see them over here and then I can click on it. So now if I zoom out, I can take this whole grouping and make the height, let's do it at 5 inches. Okay, so that's a decent height. Now you could use this ornament as a gift tag. So if you have family members that everybody likes a different character, then you can make everything with the Baymax character is one person's present. You could, if you have little ones in your house and you're worried about ornaments getting broken, make paper ornaments like this to hang on the tree. And then if they happen to grab one, it's not going to get smashed all over the house. Or if you have a cat that likes to climb the tree, paper ornaments are going to be safer. Or you could string them together to make kind of a garland. So those are some of the ideas once we make this. So now you can see this Baymax is pretty easy because it comes in as a white image. So we're just going to set this one with the white background over here. Now we want to create two circles. So I'm just going to go under shapes and use my circle shape. And I'm going to use the resizing tool, just scale this one down. And honestly, I just eyeballed it. And to me, that looks like a good size. Now I'm going to go up here and change the color to black. Okay. Now I need to make a second eye exactly the same size. I can right click on the image and click on duplicate. The other way to make a duplicate is up here in the upper right corner. Duplicate is just using copy and paste all in one click. So now you can see I made a second one. So now we'll just scooch that second one over here. So now we need the line that's in between the two eyes to and connect that together. So let's take another shape and we're just going to insert a square. Now if I hit the padlock, that unlocks the square, because right now a square is a square. It's going to be all four sides are the same. So when I do this to resize it, it stays consistent. But if I unlock, I can alter that. So I can go really skinny. So now I can make it a skinny line. And I'm just checking to make sure it's long enough. That looks good. Okay, so let's make that black also. And now that we have it, I might make it a little skinnier, if not that skinny. There. Okay, now once I have it the proportions I want it, I'm going to lock it just so it stays there. Now I'm going to do a window around all three of those elements. And I'm going to use a line to center them vertically. And see how that brought them all together so that the line is perfectly centered on those circles? Okay, so now the last step is I want to connect all of these. I can use weld, which is in the lower right corner. Weld will join anything that is touching into one thing. So right now, let's look at the layers panel. Over here, it's a square that we shaped into a line and two circles is what we have selected. When I hit weld, takes a second. See how that changed to weld result? So that means it's all one piece. So now I can take that one piece and bring it over here. And you can see for this one, I spaced out The eyeball's a little bit bigger than I did on my original one. So what you can do if you want to fix that, just go undo until everything's unwelded. Because you can't unweld, but you can undo. Okay, so now I can bring the eyes closer together. And now I can go align, center vertically, and weld. Yeah, I like that better. So that is how you would make a Baymax ornament. And then because we have each color on its own layer already, when we click make it, it's going to sort those different colors into different layers. Looks like we got two. Oh, there's one random little line that ended up on its own layer. So I think that's from the SVG, so I will fix that. So I hope this helped you understand how you can customize a basic ornament shape into characters or designs that you like. Drop me a comment below and let me know how you use this tutorial. Make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel so you get updates for all of my upcoming videos. Thanks!